Have you ever pondered over the role of variables in mathematics? Why do we use letters like x, y, or z instead of concrete numbers? To put it simply, a variable acts as a symbol, a stand-in, for any unknown or dynamic value that could be present in a mathematical equation or expression. Imagine a variable as a placeholder, a part in a play that can be performed by different actors on different nights. It's an open invitation for any number that fits the requirements of the script, or in this case, the equation. In essence, variables allow us to generalize equations and expressions, enabling them to cover a wide range of scenarios. Typically, we use letters from the Latin alphabet to represent these variables. You're probably familiar with X, Y, and Z, or A, B, and C, but there's no strict rule about it. Any symbol can play the part of a variable, even Greek letters like alpha, beta, or gamma. These variables are not just placeholders, they're key players in mathematics, particularly in algebra. They help us to illustrate relationships between quantities, to solve equations, and to analyze patterns. For example, in physics, we could use variables to represent the velocity, time, and distance of a moving object. Let's look at some examples of how we use variables in mathematics. In algebraic equations such as 2x plus 3 equals 7, the variable x symbolizes an unknown quantity. We can find out what x is by isolating it on one side of the equation. In functions like y equals fx, the variable x represents the input value, while y stands for the output value. In probability, if we model the roll of a die, the variable x could stand for the number that comes up when the die is rolled. In short, variables are a powerful tool in mathematics. They allow us to represent and manipulate information in a flexible and comprehensive way. They are essential for solving problems, for modeling real-world scenarios, and for developing new mathematical theories. So the next time you come across a variable in a mathematical equation, remember, it's not just a letter, it's a symbol with potential. It could be any number that fits the equation. Variables are the versatile actors of the mathematical stage, ready to take on any role that the script requires.